Isn't it cool? It's a single cylinder 250cc.
Oh, you are kind.
Yeah, air cooled. Yeah, it's just the best, man.
A Suzuki single cylinder 250.
Absolutely. And it will fire, what is it? It's probably 30 degrees. It will fire right up. Yeah, just one click. Yeah, you'll hear it. Yeah.
What's the mileage? What's the gas mileage?
You won't believe me. The minimum is 75.
Minimum.
I will put in.
Okay, I officially have only heard one better than that.
Yeah.
The Honda Trail 90.
Yep. The 90s and like the 110s.
I watched a guy rolling around on one in downtown about a decade ago, parked in front of the old Costco Pasta.
Yeah.
And I went, dude, where did you find this?
It's awesome.
They are. Okay, that is amazing. How much was it new?
It's awesome. So this thing brand new was 4,200. Yeah, 4,200. I paid. So I got. Yeah, I'm just about to hit 20,000 miles.
I was looking at a Suzuki Cafe 75 Cafe bike.
Yes.
With a cafe bench.
Yes.
They had down the road.
That would be.
Had the little bullet fairing too.
Those are sweet.
It was about 3,500.
Yep.
Like that's about the range too.
Exactly.
I got on one of the when they re-released the Sportster in '92.
Super cool. Yep.
I lived right across from Little Cycle Barn at the top of 99.
So fun.
I got to take that for a test drive down that son of a bitch. By the time I got to the bottom, I was already doing 70.
Absolutely. Yeah.
That is a great ride.
Yep. Thank you.
You're more than welcome.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
It's.
I love it. It even has the extended second seat and the pegs.
It's got the second seat. It's got the pegs. Yeah.
And the big exhaust pipe.
Yep.
Great.
I have literally rode this thing from James Street to the top of Artist Point. I have it on video. Yeah. It's gone straight up the mountain.
That is a gorgeous little T50.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. You got to hear it. I'll turn it on for you. Yeah. Yeah, listen, just a little prime, and then single click. Yeah. You can give it. And you can give it. It's like 30 degrees right now, so you can give it some gas. Yeah, it won't die or nothing. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Isn't it cool? Yeah, and I joke like it's had everything that it's done to it. I've done it myself, so it's just been fix it.
Ben and the art of motorcycle maintenance.
You're exactly right. I joke, fix it with a hammer. Yeah.
My first ride was like an 86 550.
Oh, super cool.
That's where I learned about that. My coworker, I used to have to sit on the bitch pad of a Red Bull 250.
Yes.
If it had nose pegs for the wheel, I could have used them easily.
That's so cool. Yeah, that's so cool.
My only problem is I'm such a light guy. It has to be a small bike.
You would love this.
Yeah, I get up past it. I got my hands on the 88 Interceptor out of Ricky.
Oh, super cool.
I might want to have a ticket for a run.
Yes. They're beautiful.
Called across my aunt was dating the sheriff.
Oh god.
That was one of the worst salmon poachers at the time.
Oh
I
no.
used to go fishing with her.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
That was the only good part.
Hell yeah.
God, I missed that override cylinder slip over in '88.
It's beautiful.
I had it going 140 on that.
No shit.
20.
Oh my god.
Because I'm so light.
Because it just picks.
But I can't go much faster because the bike floats.
Yep, it does, and you start to sway a little bit. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
My friend called me the rabbit. My last name's Harvey.
Harvey, dude, I love that. Harvey's my favorite movie.
Oh,
yeah.
I appreciate it,
dude. Absolutely. That's one of the big white rabbit, right? Yeah.
My friend, I've been a type 1 diabetic for most of my life. But strangely enough, I will still walk around usually with a picture of Willy Wonka.
Oh yeah.
In my backpack.
Yep.
Because apparently my life paradox is I have one of the worst cases of diabetes, but I also make one of the most amazing decisions you've ever had in your life.
I love that.
I like the 110% of your imagination, and then your imagination kind of shatters and goes, what the hell is this?
What is this? Yeah.
I did an armadillo cake for a graduate student who was doing a presentation on how leprosy is carried by armadillos.
Oh my gosh.
It was roadkill. It looked like roadkill. Red velvet cake, German chocolate frosting. It looked like a 9-banded armadillo with googly eyes, tongue.
I love that. That's
They were all, even the instructor was paranoid until she cut into it and then showed him and gave it me, and then everybody decided,
like,
okay,
I'll take it. Dude, that's awesome.
What's your name, boss?
My name's Cisco.
Cisco?
Yes, sir.
Pleasure to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Bradley Joel Harvey, I guess my name is Rod Wide, Wise Up a number, but everyone just calls me Rabbit.
Rabbit, dude, I love that. Thank you, buddy. Nice to meet you, Rabbit. Yeah, you too. I hope to see you again. Yeah. Let's ride if you got one, man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hell yeah. Good to see you.